Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Charge the watch to at least 20% and pair it to your phone. Once paired, open the companion app and go straight to watch settings. This is where Wallpaper controls live. Tap the watch face or wallpaper option to begin importing images. You do this now so you avoid interruptions. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth stays active while you proceed to selecting or creating your image. Now choose the image you want, either a photo or a built-in graphic, and crop it to match the watch's display ratio, usually square or 16:9. You'll use the app's crop, scale, and position tools to center the subject. Preview it on the watch preview pane so you see how complications and time labels overlap. Once satisfied, apply simple edits like brightness, contrast, or background removal to keep the watch face readable and visually balanced. Finally, tap Apply or Sync and watch the progress indicator. Do not close the app until it finishes. Once the watch displays the new wallpaper, make sure complications remain legible and adjust if necessary. If syncing fails, restart both devices, re-enable Bluetooth, and try again. This clears most temporary glitches. If issues persist, check app permissions and available storage on the watch. Those are common blockers that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.